Hi Libras, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Libras. For your daily energies, Libras, we'll be picking few cards first, and as we proceed, I'll be picking cards for your career situation and personal life situation, Libras. So first, for your daily energies, these are the cards here, guys. So for your career situation and relationship, whatever questions you have in your mind, you can think about it, and as we proceed, I'll be picking cards, guys. So let's start with the daily reading, Libras. It's Four of Moons, it's Ace of Stars in reverse, and Nine of Suns in reverse. So these cards may relate to your career situation or your personal life situation, guys. So with this card, the energy is that in your situation today, maybe some of you are working, making too much efforts. It may be in your career or something to do with your personal life, and you are working out, doing everything possible, keeping your full attention on that, and working and working and working. But today you have to just see where you're going. Maybe your this determination to see things through, maybe you are too committed. You have too many burdens on your shoulders, and you are not aware of your present situation, guys. So your concentration is only on your action but not on your circumstance. So you have to be aware of your circumstances also, Libras. So maybe this excessive commitment or this rigorous commitment in your work or in your personal life may stress you negatively. So you have to have that view, a different view about your situation today, guys, to have that clarity in your situation. And I also see that there are certain circumstances coming in your life, maybe something delaying in your work, your projects, or some financial investments, whatever your plans are. You may see delays, and maybe for some of you, certain situations, certain stressful circumstance was dormant for some time, and it may suddenly flare up, increasing your worry and stress. And there are also people in your situation, guys, someone working against you. So you need to be aware of that person, and you are sick and worried, tired because of how things are going, Libras. You have too much work, you feel you just want to rest and think what you need to do today. And maybe for some of you, you may even you even have some minor illness, something because of stress. It may be stress related illness. So you need to be careful, guys. You need to take care of yourself, Libras. So things with these cards, I see that things are not going well, guys. Something like a bad luck. But what I would say is, when we get negative cards, these are just cards pointing us towards some direction. So we can work on that lines, what with that hints we are getting with these cards. So we need not worry. How we make our life is truly in our hands, guys. So we need not worry about what these cards say. So let us see what are the cards for your career situation first. So whatever questions you have in your mind, you can think about it, guys, and I will be picking one card for your career situation first, and then I'll be picking card for your relationship, guys. So with this card, let us see what is the card. Between worlds. It just means that you are in an important phase in your career. Some kind of transition is happening in your life today, and you are unable to see what is going to come in your future. So this is the time for you to cultivate that curiosity. Trust this process of change and growth, and whatever you have learned with your experiences, you will be able to make use of it in your future. So right now it is essential for you to accept that you do not know what is the future. When you have that acceptance, you will have that freedom in your heart, freedom from that expectation and desires. So you have to have that curiosity today about your situation, and see your situation just like a child sees something for the first time. When you do that, you will not be disappointed. So in your work, guys, whenever this card appears, it is something like a gamble, a path between a path towards prosperity that is going to appear like a gamble. So win or lose, whatever comes of it, you have to, this is the time for you to accept it. And it's a good time to bet on your skills and talents in new and different paths, guys. So you have to be just curious, and at the right combination of timing and luck, you will be able to land those golden opportunities in your career situation, guys. So whatever was unexpected will come towards you, but you need to have that curiosity and not fear or anxiety today, Libras. That is what I see with this card for your career situation, guys. So let us see what is the card for your relationship. One card from this deck. This is the card. So whatever questions you have in your mind regarding your relationship, you can think about it. Unfinished symphony. So with this card here, guys, it just means that whatever our situation is, we have to go for that completion, guys. When there is that lack of closure, things will not go in a positive way. So this is a time for you to tie up those loose ends. Maybe in this relationship, when you move on without saying the things you wanted to say, you will feel that lack of closure in this relationship, guys, and you are still bound up with that past relationship, and that closure is denied to you. So in order to achieve that, you can communicate with this person with whom you want that closure. Write a letter, make a call, talk to them over coffee or something that brings you peace of mind. Accept matters as they are, and if you want to make amends, you can do that. Say sorry and declare your feelings if that is necessary, and be clear about what is unresolved in this relationship. When you do that, you will close the door to the past and you can set yourself free, guys. So that is what this card is about, Libra. So I see that your past is has become an obstacle for you today. So in order to give that up, you have to make amends today, guys. Bring that closure today. So it will work for the best in your life, guys. So that is what this card is about. And It will help you to free that unwanted sadness or stress in your heart. So that is the reading, Libras. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Libras.